Happy Friday, happy Friday. It's Functional Friday with Tracy, and I love on Fridays to bring you a quick organizational tip for organizing your craft room and all your supplies. Good morning, Cheryl. So, I don't know about you, but I have lots of parts and pieces of different projects that I'm working on. When I get a new stamp set, I love to just take a piece of basic white and stamp a bunch of images, and that's how I practice my coloring with them and, different things, and I can hold them up. I can see how the stamps stamp, how they use, and all the things. And so I end up with all these parts and pieces. And so what do you do with all the parts and pieces, right? Different die cutting. Sometimes you die cut and you have like one or two extra that you don't end up using on your project. And so what do you do with them? Because they can pile up. And if you have a box just filled with all these parts and pieces, at least for me, that becomes overwhelming and I don't want to go through it. So I love to put all of my parts and pieces. So these are all from my Christmas Friends stamp set. And so what I love to do is get these clear envelopes. These are from Amazon. You could use anything. These are plastic with Velcro, and I love them because they are see-through. If I just used a regular envelope, then you have to pull everything out. But I can really see these very clearly. And so what I do is when I'm done with all my extra parts and pieces, I just scoop them up, put them inside my envelope, and then I take my stamp set, I put my clear envelope in there, I can close up my stamp set, put this on my shelf, and now anytime I want to make a card with my Christmas friends, I'll open it up and go, oh, I already have some pieces, and then it makes my crafting faster, maybe on my next project, right? And you don't have to get everything out. These are great for crafting on the go as well. So when I get a new stamp set, I put all the stickers on, get it all ready, and then I have lots of these envelopes, and I'll just open my stamp set, put one of those envelopes inside, and then it's all ready to go for when I have those parts and pieces. So I just grabbed a couple of other stamp sets just to show you. These are the Christmas ones, or not the Christmas ones, the country birdhouse ones. And so you can see I've already pre-cut a bunch of those birdhouse pieces. And so I just stick them in there. I've colored some birds. Those are ready to go. Maybe you stamped an extra sentiment. And that could be inside. Here's my translucent floral set, and the same thing. So I have all those, florals that I've already stamped, die cut. I just like to play with the new sets. Sometimes I don't really know what I want to create yet. So I just play with the different colors, the different stamps, grab a piece of basic white and start stamping. And then die cut those pieces. You get to see really how the stamps work, how the dies work, all of that. And then it makes my crafting so easy when I have these pieces just ready to go. So that is your organizational tip for this Functional Friday, is organizing all your extra parts and pieces with some clear, fun envelope. These are 4x6 in size, and I just get mine from Amazon, but you can get them from anywhere. So thanks so much for tuning in. Happy organizing your craft room, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh, and if you missed any of our previous videos, you can check out the playlist on my YouTube at stampandqueenbee.com or on my blog at stampandqueenbee.com as well. Hey, Lori, good morning. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, for liking and subscribing and sharing this with your friends. I absolutely appreciate you. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.